Primetime news this evening. NEPA takes action against operators of illegal waste disposal site in St. Catherine. AG reports saga takes a new twist as House Speaker comes out swinging against the clerk to the Houses. And the councillors officially take their seats in St. Anne after swearing in take two.
And welcome to Primetime News. A special welcome if you're watching on TVJ International, that's in the Cayman Islands, or online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious with a preview of what's to come in business news. Andrea Chisholm is here.
Janella, remember that expansion project announced by Carib Cement Company Limited earlier? How are things progressing? I'll have that and more in the business day.
Okay, and Jordan Fort is also here with a preview of what's to come in Primetime Sports. Jordan.
Well, Herman, as you could expect, Kingston College and Edwin Allen celebrated their respective boys and girls titles from the ISA Grace Kennedy Boys and Girls Championships, which ended this past Saturday. We'll bring that to you, as well as there is a date now set for the elections of the Jamaica Cricket Association. That and more in Primetime Sports Monday.
I hope my dress looks purple on camera, but anyway, Romaine is here with a preview of what's to come in the weather reports and forecast.
Thank you, Janella. Now, over the next few days, we are expecting a drier pattern to emerge across the Western Caribbean, which could spell sunnier conditions for most of Jamaica.
All right, thanks, Romaine. There's also sports commentary and E-Prime in the newscast. But before the break, here is our feedback question.
I have so many memories, but what is your most memorable moment of the just concluded ISA Grace Kennedy Boys and Girls Championship?
Now you can share those comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica or
Post on X.
Post on X at TVJ News Center.
Yeah, Herman can't seem to get over the purple garb. Anyway, stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.